Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Shelby from Crazy Craft Creations. On this channel, we share DIY projects, our small business journey, and soon our craft kits. We're bringing our kits to life currently, but more on that later. Today we're building a custom shelving system in our home office for our small business. This DIY is part of our total office renovation, where we took an old bedroom of ours and turned it into a fully functional home office. I'll have a full video on that coming out soon, but for now, stick around to watch how we created these beautiful custom shelves.
Our goal was simple: to create sturdy, affordable shelves to hold product inventory and supplies for our DIY kits. We grabbed our measurements and hit Home Depot to get our materials. We went with plywood sheets, pine 2x4 supports, and yellow pine 1x6 wood facings for the build out. All the specifics on measurements and supplies will be in the description of this video. We started in on the frame by measuring out and marking all of our cuts. Since we're building two large shelves, we needed a set of supports, top boards, and facing for each. Once everything was marked, we used a jigsaw to make clean cuts. Keeping the measurements consistent here saves time later during install. Next up, sanding. We used 120 grit first. Then we went back over everything with 220 for a smooth finish. This step is crucial for getting a clean professional stain look later on. Once our boards were prepped, we started assembling the support frames. We used 2.5-inch construction screws to join the 2x4s. Always check for square corners. Your shelves will thank you later. Once built, we brought the frames inside and installed them directly into the wall studs for strength. After leveling everything, we laid on the top boards and secured them with construction screws. You could also use finishing nails for a subtle look. Earlier I told you guys we are remodeling this room into a home office for our brand new small business that we just launched in March of this year. As we renovate, we're also prepping to launch our first line of DIY craft kits coming this September. We put together a fun line of beginner-friendly DIY kits that make crafting super easy with no guesswork and all the creativity. Our first batch includes awesome projects like coasters, wall art, and picture frames. Perfect for getting crafty without the stress. We can't wait to get them out to you guys, but first we gotta get this remodel finished. Now back to the task at hand. After the frame was installed, we did one more light sanding with 220 grit and wiped the wood clean. For the stain, we used Behr water-based stain and created a layering effect using whitewash, golden oak, and then another layer of whitewash colors. It gave us a soft, rustic look that blends beautifully with the space, and I am definitely in love with the end result. Here's the transformation. From a plain, cluttered closet to a beautiful and functional inventory space for our small business. We're so pumped to have this done. It already makes everything more efficient. We did learn a few things from this project and found out easier ways to do things better, but we still ended with a beautiful result. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button to follow for more of our small business adventures. We've got more DIYs, product launches, and tips coming soon. Let us know in the comments what you think of this DIY project. See y'all next time!